Example 13, convert 6 feet per second to yards per minute. Okay, so we have feet per second, yards per minute, so if we take just the distance here, we have 6 feet is going to be equal to an unknown number of yards. So I know that. I can also convert 1 second to a number of minutes. This way, my final result, 6 feet per second, is going to be x divided by y, yards per minute. So I'll put that here. 6 feet per second equal to x divided by y, yards per minute. Okay, so first looking at the feet to yards. So I'm going to have my x yards So x yards over 6 feet. And I know that 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. So getting that to match up, I put 1 yard is 3 feet. I'm going to multiply both the left and the right side by 6 feet, which will give me that x yards is equal to 1 times 6 divided by 3 yards. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 6 feet is going to be equal to 2 yards. Go ahead and replace that here. Okay, so now I need to convert 1 second to minutes. So I have y minutes is equal to 1 second. Comparing that to the conversion I know between minutes and second, I know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, so this is just a 1, so when I multiply both sides by 1 second, the second cancels out, and I'm left with y minutes is equal to, you can leave it as 1/60th, or you can change it to a decimal. So if you change it to a decimal, that would be a, let's see, 0.016 repeated. Now if you do use the decimal, make sure that you write out as many as you can, or you use the answer function in your calculator, because we don't want to round this too early. Okay, so now we know that 1 second is 1/60th of a minute, so I'm going to go ahead and keep it as 1/60th. So now I have 6 feet per second is going to be x divided by y. So I'm going to take my x yards, I have 2 yards, actually I'm going to write this out here, so 6 feet in 1 second. So 6 feet I found was 2 yards, and 1 second is 1/60th of a minute. Okay, so we have 2 divided by 1/60th. Now you can't put this in the calculator. You would just type in 2 and then the divided symbol, and then you would do a parenthesis 1 divided by 60 parenthesis, and then enter, or your equal sign. And when you do that, 2 divided by 1/60th is going to be 120 yards per minute.